Let me show you an easy way to do the Wheatear stitch. Let's get started. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using this Eleganza Pearl Cotton number 5. It's a bigger size because we're going to make these a lot bigger than I normally would, but I want you to be able to see the stitch. So this is EZM 93, and with that, you're going to use a chenille 18 size needle. Just a quick note, I am left-handed, but you will be able to stitch this right-handed. It doesn't matter if you're left or right-handed. The stitch is made the exact same way. And we're going to be working a vertical stitch. This is my little practice piece. I just took a scrap of wool and I was stitching some different wheat ears. This is a number 8 pearl cotton, and I didn't mark it. I just was playing around with the stitch and I just made some gentle curves as I was stitching along. And these are just vertical wheat ear stitches. Now for the demonstration and to show you the stitch, I went ahead and drawn 3 lines. We've got a center line and a left and a right hand side. I made them kind of big. We'll make the stitch big just so that you can see what we're doing. To start the stitch, you're going to come up on either the left or the right side. It doesn't matter. I'm left-handed, so I'm just going to come to the top on the left-hand side. You could choose which side. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to come up on the left-hand side here, and I'm going to take my needle to the back of my work down the center line at a diagonal. And I'm going to go on the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to come up on the right hand line. I'm going to go back down in the center, right where I came down with the left side. And then you're going to go move down the line in the center again, and you're going to come up just like that. The next thing you're going to do is take the back of your needle and you're going to go under those 2 stitches here with the back of your needle. And then you're going to go back down in the center. The center is your home base. Just like that. To start the next stitch, you're going to go to the left side again. You're going to come up on the left. You're going to go down in the center. You're going to come up on the right. Down in the center. You're going to go down the line and come up through the center line again. Now this time you're going to go under all of these stitches here. And then you're going to go down in the center to finish the stitch. So let me show you how to do the sewing method. Now to make the wheat ear stitch a little faster, I'm going to use the sewing method. So I'm going to start the same way. I'm going to go up on the left side. I'm going to go down in the center. I'm going to go up on the right side using the sewing method. I'm going to go down in the center. I'm going to go down the line. And that makes the V. I'm going to go through those bars. I'm going to go down the center, and I'm going to come up on the left-hand side to start the stitch again. Go back down in the center, come up on the right. I'm going to go down in the center, down the line, and then I'm going to weave through all 4 of those threads. And then I'm going to take my needle to the back, and I'm going to start the stitch again, coming up on the left, down in the center, come up on the right, down the center, take a little bite, come down the line, go through all 4 of those, and go down in the center to finish it off. And that is how you make the wheat ear stitch. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, give me a like, and subscribe to my channel.